microphone set. Let's unbox it. Some stickers. This is what it looks like when it's built. And here's a thing where you can stand the hair on. And here's the shop with scissors at the top. And this is what it looks like inside. And there's a mirror there. And there's a hanger for all the stuff. And there's a sign here with a girl on it with 2 scissors and 3 love hearts. And it's silver all around it. Thank you for watching this video. Click that bell and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.